Okay. Proceed na tayo dun sa next part natin. We have the parallelepiped. So, when we say parallelepiped, this is a prism whose bases and lateral faces are parallelograms. So, we have different type of parallelepiped. We have the oblique and the right parallelepiped. So, when we say oblique parallelepiped, it has a lateral edges that are inclined. So, itong nasa figure natin sa right part, ito, ang nasa right part natin, this is an example of oblique rectangular prism. So, kasi inclined yung kanyang lateral edges. Next one, a right parallelepiped has lateral edges that are perpendicular to the bases. Kaya nga siya tinawag na right parallelepiped. Okay? So, a rectangular parallelepiped is also called a rectangular solid. So it has a height, a width, and a length. So this is the formula na kailangan natin, no? So for the rectangular solid, of course, we have height, width, and length. So if we're going to get yung hypotenuse nito or yung diagonal nito, okay, and connect it with this one, meron tayo ditong diagonal, no? So yung diagonal natin dito is yung diagonal na 3D natin or yung diagonal ng rectangular solid natin, D. So, D is equal to the square root of, okay, yung kanina, we have yung diagonal natin dito sa may plane na ito. This is equal to square root of L squared plus W squared. So, ito yun. Okay? So, square natin yan plus H, which is the height, squared. So, therefore, yung diagonal natin dito is equal to the square root of L squared plus W squared plus H squared. Wherein L is the length, W is the width, and H is the height. Okay. For the surface area, the lateral surface area naman natin, we have 2 times length times height. So, nasan ba yung length natin? So, ito yung length natin. Length times height natin. As you can see, meron tayo sa harap at meron tayo sa likod. So, kaya dalawa siya. So, ganun din sa may gilid natin, no? We have width times height. So, dalawa din yan. Isa sa left, isa sa right. For the total surface area, of course, we're going to add the area nung dalawang bases natin. So, we have 2 times length times width. Kasi meron tayo dito. Kasi meron tayo sa baba at sa taas. Okay? So, if we're going to factor out 2, we have 2 quantity L length times width plus length times height plus width times height. So that's the total surface area of the rectangular solid. The next one, we have volume. So volume, this is equal to length times width times height. Ganun lang kasimple, no? Next one, we have cube. So kanina, we have diagonal of rectangular solid. Here, we have diagonal ng cube. So, same process lang din. Kapag follow natin yung process na ginawa natin kanina kay rectangular solid, ang mangyayari, we have D equal to A square root of 3. Okay? So, for the lateral surface area, as you can see, we have 4 faces dun sa lateral sides natin. So, therefore, 4 times A squared. So, kung titignan nyo yung faces natin dito, this is square, no? So, A squared. Ilang face yan? 4. So, 4 times A squared. Okay? So, total surface area included na dito yung dalawang bases natin. So, imbes na times 4, times 6 na kasi 6 yung equal faces natin. So, for the volume, this is equal to S cube or equal to A cube. That's the volume of the cube. So, ganun lang siya kadali, no? Madalis lang to sundan. Okay, proceed na agad tayo sa example natin. So, sabi dito, a cube has a edge equal to a diagonal of another cube. Okay? Find the ratio of their volumes and the ratio of their total surface area. So let's draw two Um, let's draw two cube. Sabi diyan, yung width daw nito, let's say this is 1 and this is the second cube. Now, sabi dito, yung edge daw nito is actually equal to the diagonal of this one. Di ba? Okay, sabihin natin, x to, this is equal to t. Kunin natin yung diagonal nito. Yung diagonal nito, this is equal to what? A square root of 3. Tingnan natin kung tama tayo. Okay. Diagonal is equal to A square root of 3. So, ibig sabihin, yung side natin dito, this is A, this is also A. So, A lahat yan, no? So, if yung side nito is equal to D or diagonal, this is equal to A squared of 3. Yun na yung magiging side niya. So, ang gawin natin, kunin natin yung surface area and volume ng first and second cube natin. So, kunin natin muna yung yung volume ng first cube natin. So, let's say this is V1. So, yung volume niyan, we have x cubed. And since x is equal to a squared of 3, this is a squared of 3 is to 3. Therefore, it's equal to 3a cubed square root of 3 cubic units. Okay? It's the volume of the first. For the total surface area of the first cube, this is equal to 6x squared. So, 6 times a squared of 3 squared, this is equal to, okay, 6 times 3 a squared, this is equal to 18 a squared. Next one, kunin natin yung volume ng second cube natin. So, this is equal to a cube, di ba? Ganun lang kadali, no? Kasi a naman yung sides niya. Next one, for the total surface area, this is equal to, ganun lang din, 6a squared. Okay, kasi a yung side niya. So, kunin natin yung ratio niya, ratio ng kanyang total surface area. So, this is equal to, okay, TSA ng larger or nung cube 1 natin over yung TSA or the total surface area nung second cube natin. This is 18a squared over 6a squared. So, cancel yan. Therefore, this is equal to 3. Ibig sabihin, 3 times na larger yung kanyang total surface area. No? Next one, kunin natin yung ratio ng kanyang volume. So, volume 1 over volume 2. So, this is equal to 3a cubed square root of 3 all over a cube. Cancel yan. So, therefore, this is equal to 3 square root of 3. Okay? So, that's the ratio of their volume. The next one, how many gallons of paint are required to paint the walls of the building 50 feet long, 40 feet wide, and 80 feet high? If 1 gallon of paint can cover 50 or 500 square feet of wall. Okay, dito, baka ang gawin nyo dito, kunin nyo yung total surface area ng ating building using this dimension. Pero, hindi, no? At when we say wall, ano ba yung nasa wall, diba? May wall ba tayo sa taas? May wall ba tayo sa baba mismo o sa ground? Wala, no? So, ang gagawin natin, we need to compute the lateral surface area, not the total surface area. So, the lateral surface area, okay? So, we need to compute 2L times height, or length times height, plus 2 width times height. Okay? So, ano yung length natin? Yung length natin dito, this is, eto, 50 feet. 40 feet naman yung width natin, yung wide, and yung height natin is 80. So, 2 times 50 feet times height, 80 feet, plus 2 times width natin, 40, times height natin, 80 feet. Okay, so therefore, yung total or yung lateral surface area natin is 14,400 square feet. Okay, yan ba yung tanong? Hindi, no? Ang tinatanong ko ay kung ilang galon ng paint yung kailangan para ma-cover lahat ng wall. So, meron tayo dito conversion that in 1 gallon, kaya niyang i-cover yung 500 square feet ng wall. So, that means in 1 gallon, 500, 500 square feet. So, cancel tong square feet natin. Dispute natin ng 500 lang yan. This is equal to 28.8 gallons. Okay, so sir, what if whole number yung given or yung choices? Okay, kapag whole number, of course, you need to round up. Yan ang choices. 27, 28, 29, 30. Of course, you're going to choose the nearest. Kapag pinili niyo yung 28, hindi niya kayang i-cover kasi nga kulang, no? So, pero kapag pinili niyo yung 29, yon, sakto, no? So, find the, or choose the nearest answer. Next one, okay. We have a lucky plant over here. So, take a screenshot and then send it to your GC, to our GC, I should say. So, kung sino man ang unang makaka-send ng screenshot, kasama tong flower na ito, then meron siyang 3 points sa quiz number 3. So, yung una lang na makaka-send, siya lang yung may plus points. Okay, last. An edge of an ice cube measures 20 inches. The ice melts until it weighs half as heavy as the original size. Okay? Find the dimension of the new ice cube. Okay. So, meron daw tayo ditong ice cube na kung saan 20 inches daw siya. So, 20 yan and then nag-melt siya. Okay, naging half na lang yung kanyang volume. Ito yung new volume natin. Kalahati daw ng ating original. Okay? So, yung original natin dito, this is equal to, okay, a cube, no? So, since given yung edge na 20 inches, this is 20 cube. Okay? 20 cube, that is equal to, oops, 8,000. So, 8,000 cubic inches. Okay, yung new natin, this is 1/2 times original na 8,000. Ano ba yung hinahanap? Dimension daw. No? Dimension natin, ano bang formula natin dito? Sabihin natin, x to, x cube yung volume natin. So, ibig sabihin, we need to find the value of x. So, x cube equal to, kalahati yan sa 4,000. So, para matanggal natin yung cube, yung cube, kunin natin yung cube root. So, x is therefore is equal to 15. Yung dimension natin is 15.874 inches. So, yun yung dimension ng yung ice cube natin. Okay. The next one, we have cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional geometric solid that consists of two parallel and congruent circular pieces. So, the axis, which is the line segment connecting the center of the two bases, is perpendicular to the bases. So, cylinder are characterized by height and radius of their circular bases. Let's discuss the parts. The base, obviously, we have bottom and top. Ano? So, height, that's the perpendicular distance between two bases. Here, this is the height. It is also the distance along the axis from one base to another. Next one, we have the radius. So, radius, that is the distance from the center up to the uh, any point dun sa ating circle. Okay? Or any point dun sa may circumference natin. Okay, so next one we have the curved surface. So when we say the curved surface, that is the lateral surface. Okay, that connects the circumference of the two circular bases. So this is the curved surface. Okay, paano ba na-derive yung formula natin? So for the surface area, first, unahin muna natin yung lateral surface. So lateral surface, okay, kapag meron kayo dyang use paper roll, remember, kapag ika-cut nyo yun, okay, ganito yung magiging itsura niya, no? Magiging rectangle. So, yung height niya or yung width niya will be the height, and then yung length niya dito will be the circumference, no? So, yung circumference natin dito, this is equal to 2 pi r. Okay? So, kung kukunin nyo yung area ngayon, nung ating rectangle, this is equal to base times height. Circumference times height is equal to 2 pi r times height or times h. So therefore, yung formula ng lateral surface area natin is equal to 2 pi r h. Okay? So for the total surface area, we need to add the lateral surface area plus dalawang base. So yung base natin dito is circle, no? So, area of circle, pi r squared. Since dalawa yan, 2 pi r squared. Pero depende, minsan kasi sa ibang problem, open or walang lead, no? So, kapag open or walang lead, ibig sabihin, wag na kayo mag-multiply ng 2 dito. Isang base lang yung consider nyo. No? Pero kapag di naman niya binanggit, of course, dalawang base yung i-consider nyo. And for the volume, this is equal to area ng base, tulad sa prism natin kanina. Area ng base, which is pi r squared times height. No? So, the volume is equal to pi r squared height. Okay. So, let's have example number 11. A solid cylinder of radius 10 inches is inscribed in a prism with equilateral triangular bases. Find the volume of the portion of the prism that outside the cylinder if the common height is 10 inches. Okay, ulitin ko, a solid cylinder of radius 10 inches. So, ibig sabihin, R is equal to 10. Okay? Equilateral yan, so ibig sabihin pare-parehas sila ng side. Sabi natin A yan, no? A yung side natin siya. Kung titignan nyo, yung volume na hinahanap natin is yung volume na shaded. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, we need to find the triangular prism first, the volume of the triangular prism, minus the volume of the cylinder. So here, we can already get the volume of the cylinder since given yung height niya na 100 inches. And also yung radius niya. So, pwedeng-pwede. Ang problema natin is kung paano natin kukunin yung volume ng prism natin. Okay. So, we need to find yung edges or yung side ng ating prism. As you can see, this is a circle inscribed in a equilateral triangle. So, yung formula natin dyan, we have area of the triangle equal to R times S. Do you still remember this one? Nasa plane geometry natin to. Area of the triangle, since this is equilateral, therefore, this is 60 degrees, no? So we're going to use the formula SAS formula, 1 half a squared sine 60 degrees equal to the radius, which is equal to 10 inches yan, times S. So yung S natin dyan, we have A plus A over 2. So as you can see, sine 60 natin, we have square root of 3 over 2. We have 10 times A plus A plus A. This is 3A over 2. As you can see, this is 10 divided by 2. So 5 yan times 3A. Okay? So as you can see, this is equal to square root of 3A squared over 4 equal to 15A. So divide both sides by square root of 3 over 4. Therefore, A is equal to 20 square root of 3. We can now find the volume that is outside the cylinder. Okay? So first, kunin muna natin yung volume ng ating cylinder. Okay, volume ng cylinder natin, pi r squared times height. This is pi times r, which is 10 inches squared, times 100 inches. So this is equal to 10,000 pi. No? Okay, this is 10,000 pi. The next one, we have the volume of the triangular prism. So that is equal to area ng base times height. Okay, yung area ng base natin, this is a equilateral triangle. So 1 half a squared na 20 squared of 3 squared sine 60 degrees times height na 100 inches. This is equal to 51961.524 cubic inches. I'm sorry, this is also cubic inches. Okay, to find the volume outside, this is equal to 51,961.524 cubic inches minus, this is pi. This is 10,000 pi cubic inches. So the answer is 20,545.598 cubic inches. That's the volume outside the cylinder. Okay? Next one. A cylinder with a volume of 576 pi cubic meter is circumscribing about a square prism, which has one side of the base that measures 8 centimeter. So what is the altitude of the cylinder? Okay, dito, given yung volume ng cylinder natin. And we need to find the altitude. So dito, given lang yung side nung ating prism. So we need to calculate first yung radius natin, no? Para makuha natin yung altitude. Pero paano natin makukuha yung radius natin dito? Okay? As you can see, hindi radius lang nakikita natin, kundi diameter. Ano ba to? This is the diagonal. Diba? It will pass through dun sa center natin. Ibig sabihin, this is our diameter and this is also the diagonal or the hypotenuse ng ating square kung hatiin natin to. So, square yan, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter din to. Okay? So, the or diameter is equal to the square root of 8 squared plus 8 squared. So, therefore, this is equal to 8 square root of 2 centimeter. So, that's the diameter. What's the radius? Hindi, syempre, kalahati lang ng diameter natin, no? 8 squared of 2 over 2. This is equal to 4 squared of 2 centimeter. Meron na tayong radius. No? We can now find the altitude. So, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared height. Okay? Okay, this is 576 pi cubic meter. Sorry, this is cubic centimeter dapat. So, this is equal to pi times 4 squared of 2 centimeter squared times height. Okay? So, therefore, h is equal to, okay, the height is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay? That's the answer. Ganun lang kadali yung mga nasa examination. Next one. Okay. A closed cylindrical tank 10 feet in height and 4 feet in diameter contain water with depth of 8 feet and 5 inches. So that's the depth of the tank. Water dun sa tank. What would be the height of the water when tank is lying horizontal position? As you can see, meron tayong upright na tank. Okay? Oh. Kapag pinahiga natin in horizontal position, ano daw kaya yung magiging height natin? Sabihin natin yung height or yung unknown natin is equal to h. So here, yung water level natin is wala pa dun sa kalahati. No? So yung volume ng water natin is less than dun sa half ng volume capacity natin. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung bakit ko nilagay or bakit ko tinatake note ito. Okay? So, we need to compute the volume ng water. So, yung volume ng water, mapa-upright man yan or mapa-horizontal, equal lang yung laman yan. Ang tinatanong lang is, ano ba yung height nito? So, yung volume ng water natin dito, this is equal to pi r squared h. Okay? So, 4 yung diameter natin dito. This is the diameter, not the radius. So, if we're going to get the radius, this is equal to 2 feet. So, this is pi, 2 feet quantity squared times height. Okay, yung height natin dito, as you can see, this one, we're going to convert it into feet. Why? Kasi 3 feet and 5 inches siya no? So, 3 feet plus, convert natin tong 5 inches into feet, 5 divided by 12. Ganun lang yung conversion niya. Kasi in 1 foot, there are 12 inches. Okay, para exact tayo, no? This is equal to 41 over 3 pi cubic feet. Okay? That's the volume of water, no? So, nung pinahiga natin siya, we need to find this one, no? Okay. So, dito, para makuha natin yan, we need to calculate first kung ano yung area na kung saan, ayan, wetted. So, to find the area, we have AS, area na kung saan wetted siya, times length na 10 feet. So, that is equal to the volume, di ba? So, yung volume na na-compute natin, we have 41 pi over 3 cubic feet. Ibig sabihin, so to find the area, this is equal to, okay, para exact tayo, okay, 41 pi over 30 square feet. Kung choice yung mag-decimal, mag-decimal kayo, okay? Okay, ganito yung itsura niya, no? Hanggang dito siya. Pero inassume natin na hanggang dito siya, no? Bakit ko ba inassume agad na hanggang dito yung water natin? Bakit ko ba siya inassume? Kasi first of all, yung volume ng water natin dito, sinabi ko kanina na less than dun sa volume na total capacity ng ating cylinder. So, ibig sabihin yan, kapag kasi 1/2 or equal to 1/2 dun sa volume niya, we don't need to compute yung height, no? So, malamang kung kalahati yan, edi kalahati lang din dito yan. Yung magiging height natin will be the radius. Kapag greater than dun sa kalahati, ibig sabihin, yung area natin hanggang dito or yung water level natin hanggang dito, sa taas. Pero kung less than, sa baba. Okay? So, you should know the difference. No? So, as you can see, makakabuo tayo dito ng triangle. No? This is the chord. This is the radius. At meron tayo ditong theta. This is your H. Ito yung hahanapin natin. Ano ba to? Ano ba tong area na to? This is the area nung segment natin. At paano na ulit kunin yung area ng segment? AS, area ng segment, equal to 1/2 r squared theta. No? Pero dapat naka-red yan, di ba? Minus area ng triangle natin, 1/2 r squared sine theta. Okay? So dito, given ba yung radius natin? Okay, given yan. Ano ba yung radius natin kanina? 2 feet. So 2 feet to. So, hindi talaga to yung kailangan natin hanapin, no? So, we're going to find the theta. Okay? So, this is 41 pi over 30. This is 1/2, 2 squared. Okay? Theta, unknown, minus 1/2 r squared, 2 squared, sine theta. So, pwede nyo yung i-shift solve sa calculator nyo. So, kung i-shift solve nyo yan, ang makukuha nyo answer is 2.633. Pero ano ba yan? Is it in degrees? No. Hindi yan naka-degrees. Naka-radians siya. Okay? Okay, na-discuss ko na sa inyo kung paano i-convert yung radians to degrees. Kung radian, multiply natin ng 180 degree over pi. Times 180 divided by pi. Ibig sabihin, this is equal to 150.881 degrees. So, ano ngayon kung nakuha natin yung degrees, no? So, kung titingnan nyo, this one, meron siyang relationship dito, no? So, from here, from center up to this water level, this is actually equal to 2 minus h. Sir, bakit po naging 2 minus h? Kasi from here to here, this is the radius, which is equal to 2. Eh, ano to? This is equal to 2 minus h. Okay? So, 2 minus h yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung height natin or yung height ng triangle natin dyan is 2 minus h. Wait lang, i-drawing natin, no? So, isosceles triangle yan. We have radius equal to 2. We have here theta over 2. Here we have 2 minus h. So, paano natin kukunin yung h? Siyempre, gagawin na natin dito, we're going to use the radius na 2 feet. And of course, yung height natin na 2 minus h. So, cosine 150.881 degrees over 2 equal to, okay, hypotenuse natin is 2, adjacent natin is 2 minus h over 2. Cosine 150.881 divided by 2. Okay, huwag kayong magkamali naka-ano 'to, parenthesis. Okay. Therefore, h is equal to 1.497 feet. Okay? So, ganun lang. Ganun tayo kukuha ng height. Okay?